Welcome to this lesson on trophic levels. Trophic levels are fundamental concepts in ecology that help us understand how energy and nutrients flow through ecosystems. In this video, we'll explore the different feeding positions that organisms occupy in nature, including producers, consumers, and decomposers. By understanding trophic levels, you'll gain insight into the interconnected relationships that sustain life on Earth. Trophic levels represent hierarchical positions that organisms occupy in a food chain based on their feeding relationships. Think of them as steps or stages in the transfer of energy through an ecosystem. Each level represents a distinct step in how energy and nutrients move from one organism to another. The key concept to understand is energy flow. As energy moves from one trophic level to the next, it decreases, which is why ecosystems have this structured, hierarchical organization. All organisms in an ecosystem can be grouped into three main categories based on their feeding behavior. First, we have producers, which are organisms like plants that create their own food through photosynthesis. Second are consumers, which include animals like lions that obtain energy by eating other organisms. Third are decomposers, such as mushrooms and fungi, which break down dead organic matter. These three categories work together to maintain the balance and flow of energy in every ecosystem on Earth. Producers, also called autotrophs, occupy the first trophic level. They have the remarkable ability to convert solar energy from the sun into chemical energy through the process of photosynthesis. Producers form the base of all food chains because they create the energy that supports all other life forms. Common examples of producers include plants like trees and grass, algae in aquatic environments, and microscopic phytoplankton in the ocean. Without producers, no ecosystem could exist. Consumers, or heterotrophs, occupy the second trophic level and beyond. They cannot make their own food and must obtain energy by eating other organisms. Consumers are divided into three categories. Primary consumers are herbivores that eat producers directly, such as deer, rabbits, and grasshoppers. Secondary consumers eat primary consumers and include animals like snakes, frogs, and small fish. Tertiary consumers are at the top and eat secondary consumers, including apex predators like hawks, lions, and sharks. Decomposers play a crucial role as nature's recyclers. They break down dead organisms and waste materials from all trophic levels. Through decomposition, they return essential nutrients back to the soil and ecosystem, making these nutrients available for producers to use again. Common examples of decomposers include bacteria, various species of fungi, and earthworms. Without decomposers, dead matter would accumulate and nutrients would be locked away, preventing new life from forming. The structure of trophic levels can be visualized as an energy pyramid. At the base, we have producers, which contain the most energy and biomass. Moving upward, primary consumers form the second level with less energy available. Secondary consumers occupy the third level with even less energy. Finally, tertiary consumers sit at the top with the least amount of energy. This pyramid shape reflects the decreasing amount of energy available as we move up each trophic level. Let's review the key takeaways about trophic levels. First, only about 10% of energy successfully transfers from one trophic level to the next, with the rest lost as heat. Second, each trophic level can support fewer organisms than the level below it because of this energy loss. Third, decomposers are absolutely essential for nutrient cycling, as they break down organic matter and return nutrients to the ecosystem. Understanding these principles helps us appreciate the delicate balance that exists in nature.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.